In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a mark sheet in Microsoft Excel. Creating a mark sheet in Excel is a very useful skill for students, teachers, or anyone who wants to organize and calculate results efficiently. With Excel, you can not only input scores, but also automatically calculate totals, percentages, and even determine grades with ease. By the end of this video, you will be able to create a professional and fully functional mark sheet that can save you a lot of time and effort. First, open Microsoft Excel and start with a new blank workbook. Begin by setting up the basic structure of your mark sheet. Label your columns with headings such as roll number, name, subject names, total, percentage, and grade. Make sure to format the headers clearly so they are easy to read and distinguish from the rest of the data. Next, enter the student's details under the roll number and name columns. Then, input the marks obtained by each student in the corresponding subject columns. It is important to ensure that all the data is entered accurately, as Excel will use this information for calculations. Once the marks are entered, you can calculate the total marks for each student. Click on the Total column cell for the first student and use the Sum function to add all the subject scores together. After calculating the total for the first student, you can copy the formula down to apply it to all other students automatically. To determine the percentage, divide the total marks by the maximum possible marks and multiply by 100. Enter this formula in the percentage column for the first student and copy it down for all the rows. This will give you the percentage score for each student accurately and quickly. After calculating the percentage, you can assign grades based on predefined criteria. Use the if function in Excel to create conditional formulas. For example, if the percentage is 90 or above, the grade could be A. Between 80 and 89, grade B, and so on. Apply this formula for each student to automatically generate their grades. Finally, format your mark sheet to make it visually appealing. Use borders, different font styles, and background colors for headers or totals to make the sheet more readable. This not only helps in organizing the data, but also makes the sheet look professional and easy to understand. And that's it! You now know how to make a complete mark sheet or result sheet in Microsoft Excel. Using these steps, you can efficiently manage student scores, calculate totals and percentages, and assign grades automatically. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.